Okay, so now we're on page 13 of our poetry packet. We got Fast Break over here, and we got Lucy Girl over here. I'm not gonna lie, y'all. Lucy Girl is a sad poem, so we're gonna start with a sad poem and then with a happy poem because I'd rather go from being sad to happy than happy to sad. Y'all feel me? I mean, it's Monday already. I'm already sad. This Monday. It's not Saturday, so you might as well do the sad part, then get to the happy one, right? All right, fantastic. Let's take a look at Lucy Girl, okay? Lucy Girl, what do I do to my title, Janene? Yes, good job. Aubrey, it's one stanza. Do I really need to waste time numbering it? No, I don't need to waste time numbering it, okay? But hey, y'all, look real close to this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 lines! Oh my god, guys, what is it? A sonnet! Woo! It's a sonnet. And I know that because you see 14 lines, boom, your brain should jump to what? Should jump to sonnet, okay? Should jump to sonnet, okay? Now, I already told you it's a sad poem, so I've kind of given it away a little bit. But it is a sad poem. There's another copy, though, right? So I can walk around and read it because I like to walk around. All right, everybody ready? Let's take a look at Lucy Girl. My Lucy, on her bed of fallen leaves, hungry that she wore away the flies that gathered on her eyelids, almost feel like crust and nap and impending death. Once the puzzle laughter raises eyes to whistles and then calls. There is a knowing, the way she lies, set me with regret her days and on with joy her offspring are you. I'll sit by you, my dear Lucy Girl. I'll wrap you tightly to you. Those beams with her with a great warm whistle. I'll sit by you. Watch the blood on your paws dry as bloody rains on black and watch her. Figure out what's going on. Okay, Lucy Girl is a what? It's a dying. And that's very sad. That's very depressing to think about. And losing an animal is like the worst thing in the world, right? You guys have lost an animal before. It's the worst thing in the world. Right? You gotta read it one more time. Check it out. What we're gonna do. Kathy's gonna do line one. Aaron two. Ethan three. Richard four. Jackson five. Danny on nine. Jonathan 11. Carson State. 12. 13, 14. Yeah, that way everyone gets together. So, the pages have 13. Okay? I'll take you along if you don't mind. So, Catherine, here we go. Let's go take it away. Now, watch the blood on your cloth drying from black unwashed fur. All right, so very much a downer of a poem like that, okay? Very much a downer of a poem, but there's a few things we can do to it. First out, we don't have a rhyme scheme or anything like that. We know it's a sonnet, so the easiest thing we can look for right now will be imagery. Why is imagery the easiest thing we can look for? Somebody, anybody. Why is imagery the easiest thing we can look for? Anybody. What'd you say? If you can see in your head, y'all, it's what? It's imagery. It's imagery. So what I want you to do is quick scan that poem right quick. Just scan it. You don't have to read every single word. Just scan it and highlight the words that create imagery in your head. Okay? Highlight the words that create imagery in your head. I'm going to come after Aubrey first. Come after Logan second. I'll come after Lauren third. Okay. So Aubrey, when you find something, you just speak up. Okay. Any word or phrase that creates imagery. Yes, the last line. Birdie rings on black and white fur. Good job. Logan, what you got? Any word or phrase that creates imagery. Her offspring are you, so we know that she had what? She had puppies. Now, when you see a puppy, you can't just talk. You have to be you. Like all cute and everything. Lauren, what you got, hon? Effort. Yeah, you can tell like she's like making an effort to blink. So, um, right over here, Mr. Jackson, what you got? Any word or phrase that creates imagery? Yes. It is. Yeah, that's kind of weird. Okay. So she's got like the gunk around her eye. How many of y'all have like an older dog that gets the gunk around their eyes sometimes? Yeah. Our oldest dog gets like all this gunk and I try to wash it away off her face. And 2 days later, it's back and everything. Okay. Anything else, y'all? What you got, JC? Okay, watch it blow and your clothes dry. Which leads me to believe that maybe there's like an accident or something that leads to the death of this dog. I don't know. My favorite line is line 10. I'll wrap you tightly in your favorite blanket. Which also leads me to believe that maybe they found the dog and the dog doesn't have one, so they went and got Lucy's favorite blanket and wrapped her up, tried to make her what? Comfortable? Yeah, comfortable. Look at that first line. While Lucy on her bed of fallen leaves. I can see the dog like laying in like, in the yard in leaves. Okay? Very sad. Okay? Nobody's gonna bring up the funny word? Urine. I know. There's that first period they saw urine and they just the giggles turned on. But like urine. Like, oh my gosh, I didn't think it was that funny. They thought it was funny. What about whistles? Hey, you say whistle, what do you hear in your ear? A whistle, yeah. Okay. All right, cool. So check this out. One, it's a depressing poem. Two, we know it's a song that it's about the death of somebody, right? It's either about the death of somebody or the fallout of the death of somebody. So do me a favor, in your packet right quick, turn over to page 3. On page 3, a few weeks ago, we took notes on poetry terms. It's one of the handwritten notes that you wrote in on page 3. On page 3, there's a thing that you added of a poem that deals with the death of someone or about the death of somebody. What are they called? Oh, what'd you say? Oh, you good job, sister. Hookshot high five. You ready? There we go. Good job. This is definitely, hey, it's about the dog passing away, right? This is definitely an elegy. Now, if we went to a funeral and this was said out loud, it'd be a eulogy, but because it's poetry, it's going to be an elegy, okay? So, when Ethan Lane goes home and Melissa says, baby cakes, what did you learn at school? You say, Mom, I read an elegy today. And she's like, my baby is so smart. Go on, play your Fortnite. Okay? So, we put quotes in title. We know it's a sonnet. We know it's an elegy. We looked at the image. Questions, comments, confusion. Everybody good? That was sad, right? Oh, heartbreaking. Let's talk about something a little bit more fun. Let's take a look at fast breaks. Before we do, guys, you guys watching this at home, what I want you to do is like my video, comment below how much you liked it. I want you to subscribe to my channel and make sure that when you see the notification bell, click that notification bell so you get updates every time I post an amazing video. Everybody say, 3. It's like The Walking Dead.